Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Lauren, and in this video I'm going to be putting together a coat rack kind of thing to kind of upgrade Jess and I's house. We were using my clothing rack, which was functional but not aesthetic. So we're just upgrading. Thank you to my mom for blessing us with this wonderful coat hanger. Really appreciate it, honestly. And I'm gonna have a lot of assistance with this because I'm useless, but I just wanted to bring you guys along for the process. So if you want to see the little transformation, then just keep watching. Oh, you're supposed to cut over here. Right, because be aware it's not. Hold on, get the chance to make it down to the payment center before I get there with the toast up. And I'm giving the citizen a little buzz here. We'll get the other day, we'll get the lead. I think I maybe have had enough. Going back down to that focus. It's going to be turned 128 and it's going to be a couple hours. I hope there's nowhere around. I don't want to survive it. Toast up here. Until they call me on the radio and tell me anything different, I have to proceed with the tone. Did I cut something in the box? No, they wouldn't let you be able to cut it, right? Wait, did I catch on? Maybe my pocket knife be better at this? Can you answer my question?
No, you're about the same.
This is hard. Oh, this is way easier. Yeah, buddy. Wait, didn't I already cut this? All right. And he's flipped over. I understand you're concerned about your friend, but your friend is doing the right thing, taking care of his facility, so hopefully you don't see us again. Can you help me do that? Finally, I missed you today. I'm ready to go. 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 You got to let it go. Egg bite break. But that is everything that I had for you guys for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos. I upload Tuesdays and Fridays at 1 p.m. So there's always lots of fun content that you don't want to miss out on, so definitely click that bell. Otherwise, I love you so much. Thanks so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye! Yeah. There's always lots of fun. Girl!